Hello folks, super excited to bring you this today. This is a foldable table that extends up higher from Lifetime. I needed this because of a lot of the products that I review and wanted to add a little something to my set here to make it easier to do product reviews, things of that nature. And you can also use this for parties, different things like that if you need to have a little island that's going on. So let's go ahead and take this out of the box here. Got to rip the box a little bit to get this out. Actually, I'll just turn it upside down so I can just dump it out. Make sure I don't hit my ceiling there. All right, so this is the table. It's a 4-foot table right there, and it's foldable, as you can see. So we're going to go ahead and unfold this. Very easy to unfold. You got the little lock right there so it doesn't come back down on you. And let's go ahead and raise the other end. And boom, this is ready to go. So now this is the standard height that it comes, and you see that it's not super tall, but you can use it to sit down at. But the thing and the reason why I got this table was because of the fact that you can extend this. Basically, the way that this extends, it's got two silver clips up here. So you want to go ahead, push those in, and I'm just going to use my body to kind of pull that down. And it's got one setting here, so it raises it up a little bit higher. Use my body again, and I have it full on tall. So we're going to flip this over and do the same thing on the other side. I want this full height. Two little silver clips here, push those in. Like I said, I'm going to use my body, and I'm going to extend this all the way up. So it's got 3 different heights that are there. So now, when I put this up, you can see it's a lot taller. I'm standing, and you can really see how this is going to be an extension for what it is that I want to do. Again, you can use this as an island. I stand 6 feet tall, so you can see this is right around, I would say, 4 feet. And let's just check here, and we've got the heights on here as well as on the box. You can extend this all the way up to 36 inches, so that's 3 feet. These are 36 inches, 29 inches, and 24 inches. You can see those there. So you've got 3 different heights that you're going to be able to use this for. Again, I'm going to be using this for product reviews, content creation, so that I can stand, even if I want to sit. You can see it's a little bit tall for sitting right here. I would probably have this down at the next level down if I actually wanted to sit and do some product reviews. This can be used as an island, a temporary island in your kitchen, your dining room. You can use this for parties. And as I said, I'm going to be using this for content creation. So if it's something that you think you can use, go ahead and grab this 4-foot table. You can see the length here, this 4-foot table by Lifetime. Go ahead and grab it right now.